Hello everyone, myself Akash Reddy from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, CAC AI department. Today's topic is about collection classes. Topics which we are going to explore are what is a collection, what is a collection framework, advantages of collection framework, methods of collection interference, collection framework interference. Here goes the first topic, what is a collection? A collection is an object that contains a group of objects treated as a single unit. Any type of objects can be stored, retrieved, and manipulated as elements of the collection. In Java, a separate framework named Collection Framework as defined in JDK 1.2. JDK is also known as Java Developer Kit, which holds all collection classes and interference in it. Next we have what is a collection framework. Collection framework is an unified architecture of managing a collections. There are three main parts of collection framework. There are interference, implementations, and operations. At first, interference. A core interference defining common functionality exhibited by the collection, and implementations concept classes of the core interference providing data structures. Operations. Methods that perform various operations on the classes of collection. Next we have advantages of a collection framework. Consistent API, reduce programming effort, increase program speed and quality. Consistent API. API has a basic set of interference like collection set, list, maps, and all the classes, array list, linked list vectors that implement this interference have some common set of methods. API is known as application programming interference. Reduce programming effort. The programmer doesn't have to worry about the design of the collection, but rather than he focus on its best use in his program. Therefore, the basic concept of OOP, which is known as object-oriented programming abstraction, has been successfully implemented. Increase program speed. Increase performance by providing high-performance implementations of useful data structures and algorithms because in this case, the programmer need not think of its best implementations of a specific data structure. He can simply use a best implementations to drastically boost the performance of this algorithm or a program. These are the methods of a collection interference. There are multiple collection methods in this. At first we have add. It uses to insert an element into the collection. Next we have add all bracket collection C used to insert a specific collection element into a invoking collection. Get int index returns the element at the specified position in the collection. Get all collection C used to return the element of a specified collection element in the invoking collection. Remove and remove all, contain all, empty. All these are the methods. So remove object element used to delete an element from the collection. Remove all collection C is used to remove the specific collection element in an invoking collection. Into size method is used to return the total number of elements present in the collection. Void clear used to remove total number of elements in the collection. Contain and contain all is used to search an element in the collection, and contain all is used to search a specific collection in the collection. empty checks if the collection is empty or not and returns true if the collection is empty and returns false if the collection is not empty. And iterate returns an iterator. In all these, it returns the output true if the function is correct, otherwise returns false if the correct function is wrong. Collection framework interference. Core interface. Collection set, sorted list, list map, and sorted map. When it comes to description of a collection, it specifies a contract that all the collections should be implemented. Set defines a functionality for a set of unique elements. Sorted list defines a functionality for a set where elements are sorted. List defines a functionality for an ordered list of non-unique elements. Map defines a functionality for a mapping of unique elements to values. Sorted map defines a functionality for a map where it is key are being sorted. Collection framework interface. Java collection frameworks. Under the collections, we have three main collections: list, set, and queue. Under the set, we have sorted set. Under the queue, we have dequeue. Collection. Whenever we would like to represent a group of objects as a single entity, it is also known as a root interface of collection framework, but not completely. There is no concept class that implements collection interface directly. It identifies most common methods which are applicable on any collection objects. When it comes to list, list is a child interface of collection. Under the list, we have array list, linked list, vectors. Under the vector, we have stack. List, representing a group of objects as single entity with the condition that duplicates identified by index and insertion order is preserved. Preserving insertion order by index has a very important role in the list concept. Next we have a set. Set comes under the collection. Under the set we have hash set and linked hash set. It is a child interface of a collection representing a group of objects as a single entity with the condition that duplicates are not allowed, insertion order is not preserved. And sorted set. It is a child interface of a set. Under the set we have a sorted set representing a group of objects as a single entity with the condition that duplication is not allowed, insertion order is not preserved, objects should be sorted in some sorted order. Navigable set. It is a child interface of a sorted set. It defines several methods for navigation purpose. Tree set is an implication class. It comes under the sorted set. Map. Map interface is not the child of a collection interface. If we want to represent a group of objects as a key value pairs, then we should go for a map. Both keys and values are the objects. Duplicate key is not allowed. Values can be duplicated. Under the maps, we have sorted map. and navigable map. When it comes to sorted map, it is a child interface of a map. If you want to represent a group of key values as per some sorted order, then sorted map is used. When it comes to navigable map, it is a child interface for a sorted map. It defines a several utility for navigation purpose. Tree map is the implication class. Thank you.